You know, some people stay at their current job solely because the health benefits, the health insurance. But there are some companies out there that offer health benefits and you don't have to be a full-time employee. So this is ideal for anyone that wants to work part-time instead of full-time. It works great for retirees that might want to get back into the workforce but not at a full-time capacity. And it's wonderful for those that retire early and have significant funds to fund their lifestyle, but they do not mind working part-time to get health benefits to save them some money. So let's look at some companies that offer health insurance and you only have to work around 20 hours per week. So let's start with Starbucks. Starbucks is well known. They might have been the pioneers in this respect of being a part-time employee but offering health insurance. In the FIRE movement, which is Financial Independence Retire Early, you hear the name Barista Fire a lot. That is essentially they have reached financial independence, but they need to work part-time for things such as health insurance. So therefore, a barista, for example, working at Starbucks, that's how you get the name Barista Fire. Now, Starbucks offers part-time employees health insurance after clocking 240 work hours over the course of 3 consecutive months. So that averages out to 20 hours per week. And they must keep up this average to maintain eligibility for their health insurance. They offer medical, dental, and vision plans. So I know Starbucks has been in the news lately about the employees going on strike, trying to unionize, and so forth. But that's a wonderful option to have if you can see yourself working at Starbucks, then you could potentially get health benefits. Also, if you're a college student working your way through college, it's a wonderful job to have, part-time job to have, and offers health benefits. The next one we're going to look at is Amazon. Amazon, of course, is a behemoth, but it offers health insurance to part-time employees that are scheduled to work 20 hours or more per week. In addition to medical plans, they also offer dental and vision insurance. Another well-known company that offers health insurance for part-time employees is Costco. Costco offers medical, vision, dental, prescription drug plans, hearing plans. They also offer short-term disability, life and long-time care insurance. So if you can see yourself being a part of the Costco culture, wanting to work at Costco, you enjoy Costco, then know that you can work there part-time, 20 hours per week. Usually they require 23 hours per week if we want to be exact. If you can handle that per week, then you can get yourself some health insurance by only working part-time. UPS, the package handler, the distribution company, logistics company, offers medical, dental, vision, hearing, and other benefits if an employee works 225 hours in a 3-month period. That's what you need to be eligible. So that equates to around 19, 20 hours per week. So if you're a student, this is a great job. If you want more time in your life to pursue side hustles, side businesses, but you need the health insurance, then consider working at UPS. That way you can work on your projects, your income sources that you're trying to scale up and build, but still are covered with health insurance, but you don't have to commit to a full-time job. So UPS could be a great option if that pertains to you. Another well-known company that offers healthcare benefits to part-time employees is Chipotle, or they require no minimum weekly hour requirements. So no matter how many hours you work, you can enroll in vision, dental coverage. So Chipotle is really cool because it requires no minimum weekly hour requirements like many of these companies that's been previously mentioned. So if you can see yourself working at Chipotle, at least part-time, then you could have the option of having healthcare insurance. Department store Macy's offers health insurance to employees working 30 hours per week. Now, the reason I put this on this list is that's for health insurance. If you work 20 hours or more per week, then you are eligible for dental and vision benefits, life insurance, disability insurance, even pet insurance. So if you can see yourself working at the retail giant Macy's, then that could be an option for you. So to have many of the insurances, all you have to do is work 20 hours per week. However, if you want health insurance, then plan on working 30 hours or more per week. And then finally, we have the outdoor company and sports retailer REI. It offers medical benefits for employees who work an average of 20 hours or more per week over a 12-month period. What is really good is REI pays the majority of an employees' medical, dental costs, life insurance, disability insurance. They offer flexible schedules. They even have something called a Yay Day every 6 months, which is a paid day off to get outdoors, which is what that company is all about, outdoors and sports and rec. They are very, very generous with their discount on their gear that they sell. So it seems like a really good company for those that want to work in the outdoor industry. So there you go. 7 companies that offer health insurance for part-time employees working on average 20 hours or more. If you like this video, appreciate it. Hit that like button. If you hadn't already, I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button to Diversified Dollars, where we show you how to make money, save money, and invest money so you can work when you want and work because you want to, not because you have to, and live life on your own terms.